So we're really close to the end of the day. We are basically concluded the first leg of our learning experience, because there will be a second leg. Tomorrow, for some of you who have registered into some of the activities, we offer basically 4 different possibilities. We have organized for you, for those who have registered, a guided tour of the CIAF, and in particular visiting some of our key clients, some of the key players in China, and that's a very good way to understand and have a feel for the China's market and trends, and imagine the scope of possibles. And God knows in China that everything is possible. So this is something extremely interesting. For our Chinese audience, and unfortunately only for the Chinese audience, there is a tour of Zhangyang shipyards, which is organized. Again, this is something I highly recommend. I mean, those shipyards are amazing, amazing places, and for industrial like me, you know, the sheer size of the operations just makes your head spin. So a very interesting tour indeed. And finally, again, for those who have registered, we have organized preliminary business value assessment for you, so that you can start putting numbers and touching the value that the 3D Experience platform can provide you, and start to imagine what types of roadmap could be set up. So for those 3 activity, you need to register. If you have not, or if there is no more place in those 3 activities, we'll be here all morning tomorrow. All the teams will be here, and so if you have any questions, if you want to deep dive on a given topic, or have broader explanation, we'll be extremely happy to welcome you and to spend some time with you in going into the details of what we did. So to close the day, I would like to finish the same way we started, by inviting Bruno Lachag on stage to conclude the day. Bruno?
Thank you, Guillaume. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you all of you. Thank you our partners, our employees. There was a lot of people who have been working to set up this environment. And if you think about it, I was speaking about 3D experience. I was speaking about doing things and learning by doing, and this is a little bit what you have done. Going through all this stage, what we have here is what we call an innovation lab that we are using for our students to train the workforce of the future. And I have to tell you that you did a great job today. So we want to congratulate you. So if you can stand up, and we're going to give you a very big round of applause and take a picture of your